this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply presets to your photo in Lightroom. So all you have to do is open the Lightroom app and open any images that you want to apply your presets to. So once you have opened your image, all you have to do is look over to the bottom side and you can see a preset button. So tap on it, and once you've tapped it, you can see presets of your own. And if you want to use other presets, then of course Lightroom has other pre-made presets for you, but these are premium, so you will have to pay for it. So, and if you want to add your own, then I have made a previous video about it, you can check that out. So if you want to add a preset, suppose a moody preset that I made earlier, then you can simply tap on it and it will apply the preset over to the image. And if you want to adjust the intensity of the preset, tap on this slider over here in the image box, and then you can select how intense you want that preset to be. And yeah, that's it for today. If you have any other questions, then you can leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching.